candidate number is 3004. I am a performer playing the part of Effie from Skins by the playwrights Brian Elsley and Jamie Britton. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. Somewhere. Fuck it, somewhere. Still, beats dusting in someone else's car. Need a lot of vodka and weed to get yourself to sleep. And that makes you cold. So you switch on the engine, run out of fucking fuel. Didn't we? Anyway, I was doing this to let you know that I'm okay. Then realised you probably wouldn't find that too reassuring. It's more you always need a dad to show you how to get to your email soon. Probably never get this. That was a lot! There was a lot you could have paid more attention to, Mum. Stuff was happening. Every sort of fucking stuff, and you didn't warn me. I love someone, Mum. So I had to run, don't you see? Otherwise, this way is easier. I mean, I don't think I could bear stuffing every little thing up the way you do. I'm sorry. 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 Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Isn't it? That's all you wanted to know, right? That's all you wanted to know. I don't know where I'm going next. It's somewhere. I'm thinking, if he loves me so much, he'll come and find me, isn't it? What do you think? Tony? Tony? Can you hear me, Tony? Can you hear me? I mean, I've asked all the others, but if you come, Tony, you have to promise me you won't, because Cook's only half of it. He's only the half of it, right? Don't shout at me on the phone again, okay?